So in today's video, I'm going to be reviewing and showing you how my Topsy Turvy came out. This is a picture of the box. I definitely recommend, if you get this, to get a cherry or grape tomato. If you get other kinds, they can just grow too large. Picked this up at a local dollar store for $1, which was amazing. I think online they're about $10 or $12. I haven't checked recently. The back of the box. This thing was actually really hard to put up by myself. I recommend that you have somebody help you. Here's the side, and one thing I will show you on the box, because I can't really on the planter, is I do not like this watering system. It's like this pouch you put in there, and it's supposed to work by evaporation. When you put the lid on, the water's supposed to evaporate, run down the sides, which I had a very hard time keeping the plant moist that way, so I took it out. Now the second one we had, it actually got mosquito larvae down in there, which was disgusting. Here's the plant. It is looking a little puny, a little sickly, but it's like 100 degrees where I live. So yeah, it's just not doing so well in the heat. I probably need to water it just a little bit more. But it's produced a lot of fruit, and I'm happy with it. It does grow upwards at a weird angle like this, but it is be expected hanging upside down. I could probably add some more soil to it as well. Definitely get a smaller plant because it'd be hard getting it through that opening. When I put this one in there and it was about this tall, I did break off a few little branches. If that does happen, you can just put them in water and it will root. So in conclusion to this video, I definitely recommend picking this up if you can find it cheap. It's a good way to grow vegetables if you don't have a lot of space. And it's an interesting experiment anyway.